Good morning. This is your course on solid state drives, and today we'll see about some applications of chopper. In previous classes we have seen about what is chopper and what are its types and how it is being used in controlling your DC drives. So finally this is your last topic on unit 2, and this is your applications of choppers, where all these choppers are being used. They are used for DC motor control, the battery to supplied vehicles like solar energy conversion and wind energy conversion. They are also used in electric cars, aeroplanes and spaceships where the onboard regulator DC power supplies are required. In general, chopper circuits are used as power supplies in computers, commercial electronics and electronic instruments. Okay, the first application we'll see about is battery supplied vehicles. It's a electric car. Okay, so where is this chopper is being used in electric car? So see, these are the parts of the electric cars. So we have a charger. Okay, the second part is a battery, which is the costliest part in an electric car, and the third one is your controller. Okay, and fourth part is your port box, which is your which is called as the port box, which has the main power consumption. Your fifth one is your motor, okay, where the electrical energy supplied is converted into mechanical energy. Your sixth one is your transmission, and seventh part is your main contactors. Eighth one is your instrumentators, ninth is emergency disconnect, and 10 is your DC to DC converter, which we want to study. So we have two places where electric vehicles are using converters. That is, first, initially the supply is AC or DC, whatever may be, that has to be stored in the battery. Okay, so the battery that is stored the power, either DC, only DC, that has to be in a controlled manner. So first, whatever the supply DC, that DC has to be regulated and given to the batteries. In that place you need this DC to DC converter called chopper. Okay, the another one is the DC to DC converter, where you used the 10th part. Okay, yeah, this DC to DC converter, actually what will do is, it is going to supply the DC power to your motor. Okay, so that it will control the motor in a precise manner. ஸோ அதாவது ஒரு சப்ளை டிசி சப்ளை, நம்ம கொடுக்குற டிசி சப்ளை வந்து நம்மளோட மோட்டாருக்கு தேவையான சப்ளையாக இருக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆக்சுவலாக லோடுக்கு என்ன டிசி வோல்டேஜ் வேணுமோ அந்த அமௌண்ட், அந்த வேல்யூ இன் நம்பர்ஸ், ஸோ அந்த வேல்யூ வேணும். எனக்கு டிசி சப்ளை இருந்தால் மட்டும் பத்தாது, இட் ஷுட் பி இன் அ கண்ட்ரோல்டு வே, இட் ஷுட் பி தட் இஸ் மை லோட் வாண்டட். ஸோ அந்த பர்பஸ்க்காக தான் நம்ம டிசி டு டிசி கன்வெர்ட்டர்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ வி யூஸ் டிசி கன்வெர்ட்டர்ஸ் in two place, in storing place and also in the discharging place. That is when entering into your motor. Okay, so next application, we'll see the next application, that is your switched mode power supply. So what is a switched mode power supply is SMPS. So you might have seen in many places where SMPS are used, even in chargers. Okay, so phone chargers, so they use switched mode power supply, and in computers they use switched mode power supply. Okay, so first of all, switched mode power supply is that it has to switch the mode of the power supply, okay, from the one position to another, like either AC to DC and from DC to DC. Okay, then it has to be given to your, that is, load. So see these are parts of your switch mode power supply. So input, rectifier and filter. First the input is given to the input rectifier, where it will convert AC into DC and filter some unwanted signals. Then again to the inverter chopper, okay, where the DC is controlled. Okay, chopper is something that is controlling your DC, so into what the load needs. So this is the part where the inverter chopper is used. Then output of the chopper is given to your output transformer. Then again it has to be rectified into AC supply, rectified, so that the signals are filtered. Okay, rectification, that the signals are filtered and it is given to the DC output, and wherever the output needed, like phone, computers. Okay, so it has been used in different applications like chargers. Okay, wherever all you wanted. So there is also a controller called chopper controller. So using the thyristor switches in the chopper, by applying firing angles to the chopper, you can control the inverter chopper. Okay, so this is another application. So next application is your solar energy conversion. So here is also, see, this is a block diagram that explains your solar energy conversion. So whatever the solar ray that is placed in your PV panel, that will fall in your PV panel, will convert it into a DC voltage, and there will be a peak power tracker. It is called as maximum power tracker. So this maximum power tracker will track the maximum power of the sunlight. Okay, where in which direction the sunlight has the maximum light. So this will track, then that is given to the output of that maximum power tracker is given to the step down or step up DC to DC converter, where it has to be where the DC voltage has to be converted to the match the load, and then a single phase inverter, and then to the load. So the basic part of step down or step up chopper is to match the load. Okay, so the next place where the DC chopper role is your wind energy conversion. Okay, so here the wind is converted into electrical energy. Okay, so they use a diode rectifier and a DC chopper. Okay, here this is the place they use. So actually this is the prime mover, and this is your DC rectifier, where the input from the prime mover is converted in a rectified way, and then that rectified signal or rectified voltages is given to DC chopper, where it has to be controlled, that is required for the grid. Okay, that voltage is required for the grid. Okay, the voltage, so if my grid is supplying with the 25 volt, then this DC chopper should convert from that whatever the DC rectifier use, it may be 30 volt or whatever, it has to control that the grid needed. So this is your some applications of DC chopper, and in next class we will continue about unit 3, introduction to your induction motor drives. Thank you.